Hey everyone, today I have a flat golf cart tire, and I thought this would be a good time to show you a product that I really like that I don't hear many people talk about. It's called TireJect. We'll kind of go over what this stuff does. It says bead leaks, slow leaks, up to 3/8 punctures, tread and sidewall, and dry rot. And they sell on and off-road formula. And here's the injector for it. It actually has a chart back here that shows like we're doing a golf cart, so tires up to 18 by 8, 5 ounces. That's what you use. And I've used this in where it really, this is an empty one I've used before. I just keep the injector and all this stuff in this bag. But where it really shines is bead leaks. Like when I got this, I think we've had this golf cart a little over a year, and this other tire over here, it had a bead leak. You'd have to put air in it every day, and I put that in there, drove it around a little bit, and fixed it. I haven't put air in it in over a year, and you had to fill it up every day. So another thing I'm going to do, so I ran over a nail with this tire, and I'm going to, just because I have all the confidence in the world, is I'm going to take this drill and I'm going to screw probably like 3 drywall screws in it, take them out, and and then we'll see if it'll seal it up. So what you do is you take the oh, what's the word, valve core right here. I've got it out. Take that out and you put this on here, threads onto here, and then we look at our injector, 5 ounces, put it in there, put your valve core in, air it up, done. So you want to shake the stuff really well. It's got, I just looked at the ingredients, natural liquid rubber, recycled rubber tire particles, and Kevlar fibers. I guess that's what stops the holes up. Shake it good. So this time I got a whole gallon of it because I've got some other tires to do. I've used it on a bunch of tires and it's worked great every time. And I just really don't think there's enough people that know about it. Because when I ask somebody if they've ever heard of TireJect, no one's ever heard of it. And it's a really good product. You know, don't ask me what I paid for it. I think it was, no, I don't know, maybe a little over 100 for that gallon, but it's worth it. It's a lot better than the slime. I've used it before. So this just comes out. You want to pinch the hose so it doesn't go ahead and just run in the tire, then you don't know how much you're putting in it. So basically 5 ounces is this whole tube. Really, it's flowing in there pretty good. Really don't even need the injector. Go ahead and use it. That's it. Put our valve core back in. All right, now that we got it in, I'm going to go ahead and put just to prove that there is already one hole in there, like I mentioned. Now we're going to put 3 drywall screws in it. This drill was an antique. Shadow. Can you see there? Let's see, where's the other one? Oh, I see it. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And we'll mark the sidewall so we'll know kind of where to look for the stuff. It kind of just, a little bit will come out and then it'll just stop. So kind of put a scratch on it. Now I'm going to take the screws out, air it up. Now, take it for a spin. So there we go. Still got air in it. And trying to, can't even tell where they, there you can maybe, I can't really zoom in enough, or zoom out enough. There's, see right there? That's all that came out. So there's 4 holes in this now. And you really can't even tell where they're at. So now that it's done its initial leak, I'm going to put some more air in it and check it. But I mean, see, I just went around my driveway. That's all it takes to, just needs to basically come in contact with the stuff. And it seals it right up. So. So there you go, TireJect for the win. Try the stuff out. I know it's a little expensive, but, and also if I run over something else with either of my back tires now, because both of them have TireJect in them, it'll seal itself right back up. So check them out. It's good for, let's see what the back of it says. side by side, wheelbarrow, hand cart, small tires, riding lawnmower, golf cart, skid steer, compact tractor, and it gives the chart. But what I found for bead leaks, like normally I just put a tire plug in that, but like I said, on the road ahead now, if I run over something, it'll seal itself right back up. And for like dry rotted tires that are really dry rotted, it'll seal all that up. I've put it in several of them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.